he got it. He done should be done picked up 100 horsepower. Revving racing in the house, y'all. They be revving it and racing. Man, I got somebody else. Farm Pumba. I don't think she here today, y'all. Yeah, I got one. I need to get it fit. Uh-oh. Look out. Look out. I gotta watch out and look out at the same time. Let me see.
You want to race it?
Okay, little short bed. Yeah, Simba ain't here today. Oh, you finna get him? You finna get him? And this?
Be on the tire too.
Oh, they finna do it in there. Oh, yeah.
Street drag really. What he need, Quinn?
Shit, head up. Let's see what they do head up. Yeah, we finna see what them two do head. Head up. Fire speed. Let's see what else. Damn, it's still back, baby, y'all. This the Fast and the Furious, man.
Look out, man.
They like that. What's up with it, man? Look out. How y'all doing? I'm trying to be something. Subscribe. Damn, I kind of want some tacos right now. Hey, y'all, this seems like it's gonna be about the time where it mess up or something. Buffer for about 3 to 5 seconds. I feel like the time is coming. I can feel it. Been doing too good. I've been having a clear stream. It's about to mess up in a minute. I can feel it. Yeah. Refresh it if it fucks up, chat. That's all you gotta do. Okay. Man, what is all that noise? Oh, that's the old boy again. Boy, he got a raggedy starter. That starter ain't no good. I'll be scared to cut this thing out. Look out, look out. Who that is? Swift Rage 1. Team Thundercock in the building again with some other type of donation. Hold on, let me see what they over here doing. Look out. What y'all over here doing? Look out, I'm trying to see something.
Look out, look out.
Yeah. What's that, man? Oh, I ain't ready for that. That's a new. No, I thought I was finna try to add for some, but I'm scared of that.
Don't be scared.
I don't want none.
7 up off in there, it's all good.
I'm scared still. That didn't make me more comfortable. No, sir. I can't do it. Oh, that's a great drink. Seagram's. I ain't never had no shit. Oh, damn, he finna run them over. Hey, man, they talking about that shit good, man. What is that called? Seagram's?
Seagram's 7,
I ain't never heard of that, man.
7.
Oh, okay. And you put them together?
The strongest was ever placed. No, you don't want that ever placed.
Nah, I ain't messing with that. I would have did something, but nah. You ask all you want, ye shall not receive. 480 views, okay. Blended whiskey. Damn, the line over here done got long. Okay. Okay, let me see. Let me see what they got over here. I need to get a picture. Let me see. Like Crown and Sprite.
Oh, my bad.
No problem, no problem. Okay, bet. So, mate, damn. A lot of people here today. What you got, man? Frito pie.
It's slamming, it hit.
It's hidden?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, he got him a little Frito pie. Okay, Rapid Transit say he used to drink it when he was a teenager. Okay. Blended whiskey is the dookie of whiskey. Oh, yeah, I don't want no dookie, y'all. Say that. I don't want no little dookie. Hey. Aggro. Wanna aggro. Oh, yeah, they getting that meat ready. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Get it ready. That's what I'm talking about. See, bueno. Ooh, yeah. Oh, that's some cheap whiskey. Oh, yeah. Ooh, look at that meat. Yeah, I'm ready, miss. I'm ready. See one. Ooh, dropping it on that cheese like that. You gonna melt that cheese. Oh, yeah. Put a little bit more, man. Yeah, they don't be stingy with the meat, man. I need some barbecue lemon pepper. I need some barbecue lemon pepper. Damn, man. Yeah, they be out here doing their thing, man. Cheap bread and whiskey. It does the job. Oh, it do the job? Okay, I don't know nothing about it. Oh, that's them trucks over there. Okay, let's see what these trucks gonna do, y'all. Barbecue lemon pepper. I need some barbecue lemon pepper. Excuse me, sir. Hey, what's up with it? Excuse me. Not much, not much. Look out, I got a bottle of good vodka when I see you again. Okay. Do they even have mods here? Like, yeah, I got some mods. Oh, yeah, you seen Brenda? Yeah. Team Thundercock say he on the way, y'all. Man, right now I'm in the right now, man, I was trying to operate Streamlabs and GarageBand all at the same time, man. It wasn't. I got to get a fast computer, so now they got me